This is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Nissan Navara, stock number 6993. It's ran from the first 2007 to the 2015. There's a YD25 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door has wobbles, left rear door has wobbles, left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door 4 dents and wobbles, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.